not done yet.
They can fit their head through there pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Sure, they've had lots of training.
This one is almost all the way through. It's like,
Yep. Says, you know, you're not done yet. Been a horse I've ever seen. I think you didn't bring apples.
you're not allowed to eat them anyway, so.
Now they have to watch their weight.
But yeah, that's about the size of our quarter horse. Like,
Oh, hello.
how are you? I like kids. They're delicious. Yeah, you like people, don't you? They feed you and take care of you and brush you. Yeah. Yeah, and he's got a couple scars on his back, though. Somebody is. Our Palomino bit the rump of our quarter horse, so our quarter horse had this. Yeah, Palomino's knee is torso. Quarter horse was like a big puppy dog. Who's nothing over there? Who did you discover? Where did you find?
Oh, llama.
It's the Emperor's New Groove.
Llama.
Good for making beer fur. Super odd to have a parrot in a chicken coop, though.
They're out of cages.
Yeah.
So if he's close enough to a chicken, we're putting him in with. I imagine he would get along with chickens just fine because the chickens can, scurry into their little den, and cockatoo can hop up on a branch if they don't like each other.
Well, it's helpful when you can fly.
Here, visitors can interact with eastern gray kangaroos. Why isn't that box here? Kangaroos. Eastern gray kangaroos. Then it's wallabies.
And have a beak bottom.
So he's probably one of their special care animals.
Apparently. That's kind of creepy.
Well, he's probably somebody's pet, got abused. They brought him here to be cared for. So people do that, and then they're the ones who just run around wild in the city, in your neighborhood.
Which reminds me, we now have a flock of Cuban monks hoods.
Mm-hmm.
That's like 150.
You got it in like camera mode. I didn't even see the flash go off. Sure, it's not video mode. Okay. Is it automatic? Yep. Yeah. You got it in like camera mode. I didn't even see the flash go off. Sure, it's not video mode. Okay. Is it automatic? Yep. Yeah. We're like, oh, we're cold, we're sleeping, leave us alone. Bundle of fur. You like it all the time?
Possibly. Of course, this would be more like for media's lemur than mine.
Yeah, well, you can fix that. A little airbrushing. Well, anywhere around the pen.
Patented ball lemur.
Uh-huh.
There's like so many different types of lemurs. It's crazy.
Yep. And do you know why they're sitting there?
Because they're cold.
Because it's a heated rock.
Oh, that's convenient.
They're lemurs. Look, there's more over here. They're so cute.
Oh my god. Lick, 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 lick. Oh my god, cuteness.